I'm Nasir Khan. I'm actually an educationist. However, we gather here.
Nisoing basa kanti ko at kurang chenalonar mchaksua. Hobol ko mansuani gata maiti panggal community work bill ko parliament upas ka anija manmani pulu talbi jengjeng atani ko takangaha. Padang gaman salso may rangusan hajal ni hajal manderang Kolkata Chennai aru wandaki dengtang biap rangu Christian community Muslim rang ni jengjeng atani rang ko nekang nagata maningachum. Yan Manipur North East India auba work bill ko pas ka ani ko ragal pulsina jegalani ko nekang skanagata maninga. Wamang work bill ko pas ka ani gaman jegalani ko nang skaingun yan Christian Muslim rang na namen jajringani ko ngapa bill unga. Cenga ia ko Supreme Court na raanginga ne mamong solkari ko chalaing gapa Narendra Modi aru Amit Shah ko matnang iagana.
Narai Takbir! Narai Takbir! BJP government! BJP government! Narai Takbir! Narai Takbir! Rafa Amendment Act 2025! Allah Tabaraka wa Taala na ikut khutbah qabul tawfiq wa shalom. Amendment bill. Amendment bill. Amendment bill. Narendra Modi. Narendra Modi. Amit Shah. Amit Shah. Takbir. Narai Takbir.
I'm Nasir Khan. I'm actually an educationist. However, we gather here in Quetta public ground to protest against the Work for Amendment Act 2025. This is one particular act based on religious rights of Muslims, and we Muslims are the first one to have such kind of bill or the act all over India. After that, different religions have demanded and have their own rights and acts. However, under this BJP government, a bill has been passed and converted into act which we oppose. Tooth and nail, we oppose this bill, and this bill should not be implemented in a country like India where every religious have their own different colors and rights. So in a country like India where democracy has been implemented since independence and where republic rights has been to all the citizens of the country, we oppose this bill tooth and nail, and this bill should be revoked by the government of India. The participants are the civilians from Quetta as well as the civil organization of Quetta village and surrounding villages. Not just Quetta, the Muslim populations or the Pangal people residing in Manipur, they have come and supported us for this cause. Our rally has started from Quetta public ground, and we passed through all the roads of Quetta village where we have already traveled more than 3 kilometers, and we finally reached this destination. The issues is they are trying to grasp the rights of the Muslim community communities. Not just that, the participants of this Waqf board, they try to intrude some non-Muslims. That was what we don't want. Not just that, these Waqf properties are the properties that are already for charity purpose, for the development of the community, for masjid, mosques, kabristan, and all those medical and educational facilities meant for minority Muslims. But the participation of non-Muslims in this particular board may harm our objectives. That's why we oppose this bill. Not just that, this all the properties under Waqf, these are all from charities from different Muslim sections. Since our prophets, we have to say, and during Mughal period, not just that, after independence also there are lots of Waqf land or areas where it has been given for this purpose. But this introduction of this amendment in this Waqf board will surely harm the objectives of this Waqf board. That's why we oppose of today's rally are all Quokta Youth Voluntary Organization, all Maitai Pangal Youth Association, Anjuman Islami Muhasara. Not just that, we have Jamiatul Ulama Bishnupur district and all other civil society organizations are participating in this. Not just that, we have one coordinating committee in the form of AKCOC, which is known as All Quokta Coordinating Committee. So they are organizing it, and more than 20,000 civilians have turned out for this particular. Yes, so we really appreciate Honorable MLA of Khetrigao AC, and we appeal all the Muslim representatives in India up to the rank of MLAs and MP to file a case against this bill, to the Supreme Court of India. All the Muslim representatives residing in the country should file a case against this bill to the Supreme Court.